Someone else has just come in.
At 47,000, we're in the room now.
47,000 now.
47,000. Fresh money, internet. At 47,000. At 47,000, it's in the room. 250. Do you want? But at 47,000 pounds, it is now going once. 47,000 pounds. Sure you all run at them twice. Last time at 47, 250, 47 and a half pounds.
My word, 47,500.
47,500. Do you want 750, sir? 750. At 47, 750.
Not going to show the bidder,
At
hopefully.
47,750. Your owing set, my bid's in the room, at 47,750. At 47,750, it is now going once. 47,750, it is going twice. 48,000.
Oh my word, 48,000 now on the internet.
I'll still take 250 if you're coming, sir, and 250.
And the room's back in at 48,250.
Straight back at you now online. At 48,500. At 48,500 pound, I'm in here. 750. Thank you. At 48,750. It's in the room. At 48,000.
I expected it to beat the reserve, but not by this much. Love to know what you think.
49.
Got to go to 50,000 now, hasn't it?
At 49,000. 250 to you, sir? At 49,250.
Wow.
At 49,250. 49 and a half. Straight back at you.
There's
At 49,000.
no way it's stopping there, surely.
At 49,500. At 49,500. 750 would you like? And 750. It's got to be said this time, hasn't it? That's a definite fill it up. At 50,000 pounds, I'm in here now.
good.
At 50,000.
50,000 pounds, unreal.
250 if you're coming. At 50,000. Don't leave me on an even. It's always worth another. At 50,000. At 50,000, you're sure it's not worth another 250 to you? On 50,000 pounds, I'm in here. Don't stop not believing. 250. We've come this far together.
Why?
It's only
I was convinced it would end there. 50,250 now. Plus fees, remember, which is about 10%.
50,250 pounds, and it's going twice. Last time my gal was up there at 50,250 pounds. You're sure? That's yours.
There you have it. 50,250 pounds.
Enjoy, I know you will.
Amazing.